Now, with the circle method, I like to use this to explain note values because you can actually see how note values fit into each other. Now, if you look at this circle, it's not divided in any way, it's just one full circle. Now, whenever we divide something into two equal pieces, we say we divide it into half, right? Now, if you put these two together, you'll find that it carries the same value as the one circle because it all exists out of one piece. It's just divided into a subdivision. Now, that's how it works in music as well. If you've got a whole note, if the whole circle represents the value of a whole note, and we divide a whole note into half, the value of a whole note, if you divide anything into half, you get two equal pieces. So now, if you go from whole to half, you get half notes. So now we've got two half notes. That's not very neat though, but you get the idea. So now these two halves, or two half notes, carry the same value as one whole note. So just to put it down here mathematically, half note plus another half note equals the same value as a whole note, right? Just, yeah. So now we divided the whole note into two separate pieces, two equal pieces, but if you put them together, they carry the same value as one whole note, as one whole note, because they exist out of the same piece. The circle didn't get bigger or smaller, it's just divided into different subdivisions. Now, when you divide it again, you will see that the circle is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. Now, whenever we divide anything into 4 pieces, we say that we divide it into quarters. Now, in music, we say quarter notes. There you go. So, if you look at the circle, if this red line represents the value of one whole note and you divide it into half, you get two half notes, right? Let me just show you these half notes, the shape or the space, if you can put it that way, that the half note takes up. There's one half and there's one half, right? So now you've got two halves, 1, 2, and you've got 4 quarters. We just divided it into different subdivisions. There's a quarter, there's a quarter, there's a quarter, and there's a quarter. Now, if you look at the value of 2 quarter notes, if you add them together, you get one half note, right? And if you add these two together, 2 quarter notes values together, you get the value of one half. So, and if you add the 2 halves together, you get one whole note. So all these note values fit into each other. The only difference is you are dividing your general note, or you're dividing a note into smaller pieces. So we divided it into half and into quarters. So we divided a whole note into half notes and into quarter notes. Let's carry on and let's see what happens and when we divide something into eighths. Now, what basically happens is you divide something into 8 different pieces or 8 different sections. Now, what will happen is we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you divide each one into 2 pieces, you'll get 8 or 4 new ones, and if you put them together it will be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. I'm going to show you the value of eighth notes on the practice pad at 60 beats a minute, and how it relates to quarter notes and half notes and your whole note. And then I'll also play it on the keyboard, just so that you can feel the rhythm that it creates and the new pattern that it creates.